Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to delete your Litmatch make new friends application permanently. So you can see this is the social networking app. This is really good user interface, but if you want to delete this app or account, then you can easily do this thing. So how can you delete this account? So you can see right bottom corner on your screen, it's called profile icon. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, then you can see self profile page. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to tap here settings option. Simply tap on that, and after that scroll down a little bit, then you can see option privacy control. Okay, this one. Simply tap on that. Sorry, account. Simply tap on the account. Once you tap on the account, then you can see it's lit ID, email, blind email, and delete account. Simply tap on the delete account. Once you tap on the delete account, then you will see here some option like you have to mark all the four things. Simply tap on that, and then all diamonds and VIP privileges will be deleted. Simply tap on that, and you will no longer be owner of your party room, and the Christmas level will be dissolved. Tap on that, and you will not able to recover your account information. So tap on that, and above all of these things, simply tap on the agree, and then okay, you can see simply tap confirm, and after that, yeah, you successfully deleted your Litmatch account. So caption, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.